Hey guys, it's Chesapeake here. This is actually my old design. He will soon have more horns on him. So, because people are getting confused on what his species was, so I had to add more horns. So, I am going to be tasting some snacks here. These are I really like spicy stuff, so I got this Thai sweet chili. Twist those. It's like little croutons. Then I have these sun-kissed sours. I can't really see where. Okay. And Maynard's sour watermelon. So first, I'm going to start with these. Not bad. Not bad. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to try these sun-kissed sours. They're not that sour, actually. That one kind of is. Because that's lemon. So those are pretty good. Now for these. That there has to be my favorite out of all of those. So yeah, bye. I hit myself in the face, oops.